Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while I produced a video, and this is my first video for this year, so I'm going to be saying Happy New Year. Nice to see you this year. Alright, today's video I'm talking about the trades I took last week. Today is 9th of January 2023. So I took some trades last week, and today I'll be sharing you the trades I took last week, the reasons why I took the trade, and what my setups were, and my thought process while taking those trades. So let us jump into my trade. As you can see, this is my history for last week. So I didn't trade on Monday, being 2nd of January, but I traded on the 3rd, which is on Tuesday, and I made $21. That was the only trade I took. I only take one trade per day. That is, I risk only 1% per trade per day. So that is my rules. You can put that also as your rule. Then on Wednesday, I made $24 and I withdrew $21. As you can see, this is a withdrawal to show you that this is a live account, and this is the broker that I'm using. I'll be dropping the link in the description box below. That is the best broker. Then on Thursday, I made $20. That is 2%. And on Friday, I was on break even. I took my first trade on break even, but I went against my rules because I felt that the setup was supposed to come through. So what is the lesson learned? Lesson learned is whenever you've traded your plan, you just have to leave it and move on to the next trade. So I was chasing the trade, then I amassed this loss, but still I was able to make a profit of $42 in total. I was up $60 on Friday morning before taking these losses. Even this trade that went on break even, I was up $16, but then it reversed back on me, and I was hoping to turn back, but it took me out on break even, and my psychology was spoiled, and I make this loss. So lesson learned is that always stick to your trading rules and not break them. So you can see this is a withdrawal and it's a live account. So let us go into my trading view, and I'll show you the reasons why I took those trades. This is my trading view, and I'll be showing you how I took my trades. So what I follow is what we call a top-down analysis. Most times I start from the weekly time frame. I only trade GJ for now because that's the only pair I trade. That's the only pair I trade for now. Sometimes when I see setup on GU, I also take it, but most of my trades are always on GJ because it can move very, very fast. It drops pips, you can make 500 pips per day. That's why I like trading GJ. So this is how I make my trade. On the weekly time frame, I can see that we are going bullish, but due to that I'm a day trader, I only take trades from zone to zone. I don't wait for the whole swing to move, and I'll be teaching you my entry strategy and my exit strategy. So make sure you stick around to the end of this video so that you can take 1 or 2 lessons. Now, this is a bullish trend, but as you can see, was last week. This was the week. This last candlestick was last week's candlestick. As you can see, we are rejecting a support zone over here. Let me draw it out. This is a support zone that we are rejecting. So I'll bear that in mind. Then I go back to my daily time frame. That's what we call top down analysis. Sorry for this notification. I'm so sorry. So what I was talking about. No, I have my FX book where I check my um news from. So that's why I'm having notifications from them. Sometimes it's good to check the news so that you can be aware of what the market is doing, so that you're not caught up in a wrong trade. All right, so let us go back to the business. So as I was saying, I always do a top-down analysis. I already saw that the market has reached a support level over here because of this, and you can see this is resistance, resistance, resistance. Then we have support, resistance to support, then we have second support, and you can see here it's acting as a support over here again. Then in the past, we saw that when market reached this support level, it went back up onto here. When it reached this level, it went back up. So we can also expect that the market to come back to this level. So what will I bear in mind? I always try to take sell trades at this moment. So let us go back to my hourly time frame. I take my trades on the 5 minute and 15 minute time frame sometimes. So okay. So on the January, okay, let me just use my 5 minutes so that it will be very easy. It will be very easy for us, so that you can know why I'm taking my trade. I'm trying to go back to January 3rd. Okay, this was on January 3rd on Tuesday. This was on January 3rd on Tuesday. I think I took my trade around this region over here because I saw that the market broke this minor support level it was forming here, because I see the market was still bullish around this moment. As you can see, it was still bullish. So we were approaching the support level, but when it broke this level, I think I took a sell trade from here. Yes, I can remember vividly. So where I took my sell trade from. Took my sell trade from here. Then I was able to make 2%. So I placed my stop loss at the previous support level or resistance level, if you call it. Can you see over here? Let me use this line to show you. So I placed my stop loss above that. Then I took my sell entry over here and I made 2%. I didn't wait for the trade to reach this place, because my strategy when I'm making 2% in a trade, at the long run I'll be making profits. So when I make at least 2%, I'm looking to close out my trade. Besides, we're already on a weekly support level, so that's why I have to close my trade on 1 to 2. Sometimes I also make 1 to 3. So that was the first trade I took for the year, and I was happy because I made money from it, and that was it. So let us go back on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, the market was already here. The market was already up, and what I just did was I waited for the market to break above this line, come up and retest it. So you can see I have a moving average here. The moving average helped me to serve as psychological support and resistance level. So whenever my I'm looking to take a trade at a certain place, I also try to check my moving average, though it is not really necessary. I just use my moving average to check my trend. So by then we can see that the market already came up. Then there is this minor resistance it has formed here during the Asian session over here. So I waited for the market to break above this line. Then when it tested this, I took my buy from here. Then I was riding the trade up. So remember, I only take 2%. So what do? I put my stop loss just below my resistance level. This is a support level over here. Then I took my trade. I could have made more on this trade, but it took a very long time before this trade could move. So when it moved, I saw my 2% and I just ended the trade because I did not want to stay so long on this trade. So that was how I made 2% on Wednesday. Then let me see where I made my trade from. Okay, on Thursday, this was I think the trade I took on the Thursday was, sorry for that sound. It's my okay. It is here. I took my trade here. I think it was like a scalp, but it is not a scalp. So this is why I took my trade. I can remember this level. Let me show you that level on the higher time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame rather, so that you can see the level and why I took my trade. So the market already on Tuesday made this long bullish candlestick. All right. Then on Wednesday, I saw that the market came back here. You can see this is a minor resistance level over here. Yes, so the market just wanted to retest that place and continue to its original direction. So that small red candlestick was a Thursday candlestick. Yes, so let us go back to my 5 minute time frame. So this was what I was looking out for on Thursday. And yes, on Thursday, yeah, this was my trade over here. I saw that the market came down here and rejected this level, and I immediately took my buy trade. Though I was hoping to win to close my trade at a 1 to 4 risk to reward over here. I was hoping to take my trades to this level, yeah, and my stop loss was just little pips. Yes, this was how I intend to take the trade. I think it was my entry level was a little bit here, yes. Because immediately I saw my entry was kind of aggressive. Immediately I saw the rejection, I took my buy entry. Then what happened? The market moved on to, it gave me 1 to 2 here. Yes, you can see this is about 1 to 2, but it reversed back on me and I just decided to close my trade on 1 to 2. But if I had held the trade long enough, I could have eventually won the trade at a 1 to 4 risk to reward. So that was the trade. That was what I did on Wednesday, on Thursday, sorry. Then on Friday, I will show you where I made my mistakes from. Yes. So this was on the Friday. So on Friday, I saw that the market has broken this resistance level over here, the 5 minute resistance level. Sorry, just trying to draw. Okay. So okay, I can remember my trade PVD. This was it. This was it. This area over here. So I saw that the market. This was what the market did. The market came up, came down. Then I was hoping the market will continue on a bullish trend, but it decided to come down again. Then when I saw that on Friday, the market already broke this resistance level. I was waiting for a retest. This was the break of this resistance level. This one, it already broke it from here, but I saw that it came down here and this level is created there. It created one minor resistance level here, but I was hoping to break this overall level. So it broke it, then it came back to retest it. So I was waiting for a more confirmation. This was not a confirmation enough. This small candlestick is not a confirmation enough. So I was looking for like another green candlestick, but it happened that it opened a very big candlestick. So I took this trade on a 1 minute time frame when it broke this little eye over here. So I took the trade somewhere like here because I was like, okay, this market is going to go on a bull run. Yes, on a bull run. I was up because I risked 2% on this trade because I already made 6% on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday because I made 2%. That's 6%. So I risked 2% on this trade because I'm already in profit for the week. And I also believe that this trade was going to take a bull run up, but it didn't go as planned. I could have actually closed my trade here because I could have observed that whenever the trade reaches this level, it always dropped. It reaches this level, it dropped. Then when it reaches this level, it dropped. I was expecting it to go up. So lesson of the day, your expectation is never correct. So this was how I took my trade. I was up $16. Then I placed my stop loss to break even because I'll open the trade, it's going to fly up, and it retraced back on me and took me out. So when we had a rejection over here, I this small green candlestick, I was hoping that okay, this is the reversal here because I was thinking that it's trying to reject this little resistance here. Then I took another buy, then I was down again. Then I took another buy over here, this small one, this small green candle here, because I thought it was another resistance, and that was the second loss, and I decided to end the week with that. So that was my trade for last week. I think I already made money today. I made some profit today. I took my buys from here because we already broke this level. As you can see, we already broke this overall resistance level here. So you can see that I only take break and retest trade. So we broke that level there, and we retested it over here. So I took my buys from here. Because where I took the buy from here, and I I left the trade immediately. I made my 2%, and that was wrap. So if you are looking to see my trades that I'm going to take this week, make sure you subscribe, turn on your bell notification, and make sure you watch the video. If you have any question, message me in the comment section below. Follow me on Instagram. I will leave the link below, and also you can also use the broker that I use if you want. The link will also be below. So I'll see you in my next video. Peace.